Hey guys, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. So today's introduction is a little bit different. Today is kind of a vlog style video and I am here at Waste to Wonder Park. Now I have seen a lot of blog posts going around, a lot of pictures going around regarding a park which has been opened by SDMC, where apparently they've recreated several wonders of the world using only waste products. So I was like, you know what, let's go explore it, let's see. In the pictures it looked really pretty at night. So I'm here and I'm going to tell you everything about the location, all the timings, any entry fees, and above all the monuments. Let's begin. And this is where I basically am. You can have a glimpse of one of the monuments right there, which is the Eiffel Tower. So let's see, let's go explore and let's see what the day brings us. Okay, so I've made it here and I've had like a first impression of the overall park. Now this is located in Sarai Kale Khan and the nearest metro station is Nizamuddin metro station. But in case you're coming by car, it's very convenient. Google Maps is very accurate and they have like a huge parking space right outside at pretty economical prices. The entry ticket was ₹50 per person with a few other exceptions which I've included a picture of. Now overall, for the first impression, it's a very serene, calm environment. It's very clean till now at least. So basically the entrance starts from here and you have to take a complete round and you'll come out somewhere from here. As you come by the entrance, this is the path which leads to all the monuments, and as you come down the path you have the first monument right here, which is the Great Pyramid of Giza. All of the monuments are made with some kind of waste material, and I'm really happy that they've listed down all the materials used and how it's helping the environment. Now as you walk by the pyramid through this beautiful garden with lots of flowers, you spot the second monument, which is the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And guys, now the monument that I'm most excited for. You can have a little sneak peek through this route. And that's the gorgeous Eiffel Tower. And this is clearly like the most popular area. To be honest with you guys, there's not much information I'm able to add to this video. It's more of the visuals and the aesthetic the park has tried to create with a little bit of environmental knowledge and awareness. And now this is the information about the Eiffel Tower. They've explained the process, dimensions, material used. As you can see that they're mostly waste materials. So after spending a little too much time here just watching this and just chilling, I think it's time to move on to see the rest of the park. And as we walk by the Eiffel Tower, we come across the Coliseum. As I was taking pictures by the Coliseum, the lights have now turned on. It's around 6:30 and I reached at around 5:45, and this is the best time that I would suggest. It's a weekday, so it's not very crowded. You can definitely get all of your pictures. And now we've reached the next monument, which is the Taj Mahal. You actually can't go beyond this point for the Taj Mahal. There's no way to go around it. It's just this one viewing point, and the viewing point has a lot of stairs and a lot of people right now. Bye bye Taj. Guys, how pretty is it looking right now? It's getting dark, the lights have turned on, the sun is setting right there, and this brings us also to the next monument, which is Christ the Redeemer. There's honestly not much to do here rather than just sit and go experience the sculpture, see what's it all about, just chill on a bench. One thing I want to tell you is that there are no food options around. There are just a couple of ice cream stalls right outside the park, and I'm pretty sure you're not allowed to get eatables inside as well. There are definitely water coolers inside, and you can carry your own water and stuff. And honestly, you won't even feel that hungry because the entire thing is probably just going to take you 45 to 1 hour max to max. I am now having to walk just around the last monument. Honestly, coming to this place, it has just made me very serene and calm. I think it's one of those places in Delhi where you can just go chill, hang out with a couple of friends or family, just enjoy the moment and just chill and have a good time and appreciate the greenery and just make yourself a little bit more calm and relaxed. Okay, so this is where the circle kind of ends and you just exit right from here. Now just to give you my final thoughts, honestly, in ₹50, if you have a free day, just come here and chill. To start with, I didn't expect the monuments to be like very realistic or very grand as the originals, but the efforts put in behind it is pretty nice. They have put in a lot of thought in it. The government has at least taken the initiative to convert just a normal park and waste materials into something very nice. So I am happy with it. I'm going home very calm, very serene, and obviously with a really nice vlog and some really nice Instagram pictures. And the light is now getting down, so I wanted to end the vlog right here. But before I leave, I obviously want to show you what this place looks like at night with all the lights on. So if you like this video, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you're planning to visit here or if you have already visited here. And now you can go ahead and enjoy these last clips.
La chambre si noire que mes deux petits yeux n'arrivent pas à croire qu'ils sont heureux. Dis, est-ce que le jour